Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to bring the video Spring Boot application with AJAX. There are many students who request me to do the video for their final year project, so that I bring this video. This is very helpful you to learn. So here you can see here, this is my application, right? So we have to run on this port. Here you can see they are on here. There's a port. This is a port we are running. So here tried it, localhost this port. Here I'm going to first add the student name. I'm going to show the demo. Suppose I'm going to give us JSP. Fee I'm going to give as 10,000. Click add button, record added. You will be the newly added record has been shown on the table successfully. Right. I'm going to add the new record as Peter. Course PHP. Fee 14,000. Click add button. The newly record has been, you will be able to view the newly record. Now I am going to add the record, edit the record. There is a two choice, edit and delete. If you click edit button, that editable record will be passing into the form successfully. If you want to edit this record, James, it will be passing here. What is the record you want to edit? You just pass on here. Now I want to edit the record of James. Instead of James JSP, I'm going to course name. I'm going to change it here as Java. Course fee also I'm going to change it as 12,000. Now at this time update, record updated successfully. You can see here. If you click OK here. Now the James, the course has been changed as JSP as Java. Course fees has been changed as 10,000 to 12,000. Completely changed successfully. Right. Now if you want to filter the record, also we have filter option is available here. If you write a P there, if you have a many records here, you will be able to filter it. You will be able to get the pagination. And here if you want to edit the record, delete the record, here the delete here. Click on the delete button, record has been deleted. Right. The simple application, how to do step by step, I'll be showing. Right. So first, if you want to do this project, first you have to go to the. Now here we have to configure the application. First we have to go to the Spring Initializer. Click on this link. First you have to, in order to configure the Spring project, you have to select Maven, Java language. This is a version. You have to project metadata. You have to configure this one. I'm going to give a Spring project. Spring, this one artifact I'm going to use AJAX. Java version I'm going to select as 17 as the newest one. Dependency you have to add it as a web. After that we have to add it as a JPA. After that we have to add it as a theme. These are the dependency we have to add. That's why I show you. And MySQL, which is a database connection. Right. These are the dependencies must. Right. Click generate to generate your project. This done. Click on this. Click on this folder. Get this project, copy it. This one cut it. I'm going to put it the G drive. I have to paste it. Now this is my project AJAX. This one I'm going to extract it and to make it as a normal folder. Right. Now this one I'm going to go to my VS Code editor. Sorry, IntelliJ IDEA. So I'm going to open it. So go to file, open. My project is reside on where G drive. So you have to select the drive properly here, which is AJAX. You have here this AJAX folder. Don't open here. Inside this folder there is a folder AJAX. You have to open it. Now this is how we have created the new project. You can see here. So all the your form.xml you can see here. You have all the newly created dependencies added successfully. These are dependencies. Right. Now here I am going to explain the codes. Right. This is how we have made the form.xml, all the things. After that, what I did here is here. Inside this package, you can go here. The SRC inside the main Java, we have created this is our main package, which is a form example. This one. So okay, the same package here also your newly created project as there. This is the main class of the Java application. Inside here, select here, and I have to click the new I'm going to get a new package. This package you have to name it as controller. See, after that, we have to create another package, domain. Another package you have to create as repository. After that, service. This is how we have did the application. Okay, we have created the 4 different packages. Right. After that, you can see that this is your Java folder. We have created the 4 different packages here. After that, you can see the resources. There's another package. Not a package, is folder. Inside this folder, you can see here, inside here, templates. You have another, there are 2 folders are there. One is a templates, another is a static. This template folder, I'm going to create one page. If you right click new file, I'm going to create index.html. Here, the index.html. This page I have created. After that, a static, this is static folder. We have created the folder, the directory which is a component. I have created the component folder. That folder is there. Inside this component folder, we have to copy and paste these 2 libraries. This is a data table. Another one is a jQuery. We have to this all the libraries application. I go to the respective website and download and put it here. I go here. If you want, you go here, JTable, data table. Sorry. Go here, download. The option. This downloadable file will be, I will put it here. Okay, that's the thing you have to do it, right? That downloadable file, that downloadable file we will be put it here. So this is the min.css and min.js. These are 2 files. Okay, so you have to link it to my application. So jQuery, the min.valdate. Is a file. Okay, these all things I will give you. My source code you will give you will get there. This is all the project. You just get the project into your machine and you will be able to run it the project without any barrier, right? So here after that, what you're going to do is you have to make this file. I did it here. You have to call this all the styles. This is a bootstrap styles. Yeah, this component you have linked. My component reside on where? This component folder. This is my validation file here, min.js. Okay, this is a bootstrap min.js and min.css. You have to go to the respective bootstrap website and get them. Go here, bootstrap, css and bss css. You have to get this one here. Go to this one. Just cdn. You just copy these 2 things. I have pasted it over here. That's the thing I have did it. Right. Okay, that's the thing. After that, you have to make the simple bootstrap form. Here, this form consists of these are the following fields: student name, course, and fee. We have add button and update button. We have put 2 different buttons here. Okay. So when you fill this form, click add button. What happens is, we have inside this button, we have a on-click method add student. So it goes to the add student method. So where this is the script. This is all the AJAX jQuery. So the script you have to start and close it. Here what I did here is, you can see here. Here these are the libraries we have imported here. 2 libraries, only the 2 files, min.js and I think JTable. These 2 files we have to give the path. Inside the component folder we have to give the path. Then only the jQuery is work. Okay. Right. So go to the add.student. First this is a form. First it will be checked. This is a form ID. The form ID is valid or not. Valid. What happens is, this all the record, the course, this all the IDs. Student name, course, and fee. These all 3 things are coming here. Right. So here now what you're going to do is, here what I'm doing is, first we have to click default. I have create the one variable is new. If is new is true, we have to add the record. If is new is false, we have to update the record. So this time we are at the new record, so it's true. URL, you have to write the AJAX request passing like this way. Environment get property API. This is the API based. It's going to API based. Path student. Student means the student controller. We have to name it as student only. We no need to write a controller name. We have a method which name you have to pass the data. Right? Which name you have to pass the data. You can see here. Student has a save method here. this save method, we have to pass the data. So that we have to write save. What are the data we have to pass? We have to bring that form. Only the Spring, this all the form data. Which form data? This all the form data. This all the form data. Student name, course and fee. This all the form data. We serializable. We are serializable. We are serializable. We are get that all the data. We are serializable, and we have a posting to which controller, student controller, save action method. Student controller save action method. This is student controller save action method is passing. Retrieving the data here are the model attributes. Okay, it's passing to here. Okay, so student here, what happen is we have to add the data. We can't add the data directly. Get the help of the domain, which is student. Student domain. Okay, it's a student domain. Okay, student domain. Okay, what's the data posting? It's coming here. This model. Okay, student data. Object here get SDS. So here what the data is receiving, it passing here. After that, what you are doing it here, controller passing to the service. Yes, a service. Yes, service. Service you have to auto-where, you have to pass in the service. Service what you are doing is, you have to save the data here. You have get the data, right? You have to sending to the repo. Repo is the part which will be communicate with the database and save the record. Repo as a method which is save, it will be save the record. Okay, but the record is there, it will be saved. That process did it here, the save method. After save the record, we have written as a AJAX format, you have write it, return success like this. Then only it will be passing to, after record is succeed, it will be passing to where the front end is a theme list, this templates. It will be what's the message you are did, if all things are success, you have to record and successfully. After add the record successfully message, you have to clear all the fields. After that, get all means all the table has been loaded. Keep in mind one thing. You go to the application properties here. First time only you have to first you have to run the project only. It will be create. First time your database and table is created. After that, after your database and table is created, you have to make it as an update. Okay. Otherwise, if you are added the new record, it will be created again by again. So if you are running the project again, you can see here the last added record, all the things will be closed. Okay, started. Now we go here, say empty. So I'm going, what you're going to do is, after the record, you have to make it as update this one. Then what happen is, I'm going to run it again. So then what happen is, first time our database and table, all the things are created successfully. Now we are updated. Now we have Java, so sorry, student James, course JSP, see like this, click add button. It's added. Now if you want to run the project again, it won't, no worry about that. Your table and database is created. Now you the data, the record is update. You get update. Okay, this one. Right here. Now if you are running, it's not creating again. We are created, right? That's the thing you have to write. After that, what I did here is, we have add the record. After that, we have view the record. What happen is, you have to write, when you click the this table, J table, we have to write like this here. Go here. So J table, I have designed the J table. The form, under the form we have designed this simple J table here. Simple J table. These are the column name I have put it here. Student name, course and fee, edit data, all the things. So table is started here, close it here, 3. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, here in AJAX data table, we have a table ID. This is a table ID. We have to get the table ID. We have to go. We have this get all function. Inside the get all function, you have to table student ID here. Student, if there are any unwanted record, it will be destroyed. Okay, the J table. Okay, after that here, it's go to the AJAX and we have to get load from the path. It's go to the particular URL, student list. It's go to the URL here, student list. We have to get them as a get request. So the list of the student we have to load. So list student means we have to load where from the domain. Load all the student details. So here it will be passing the service get all function. Call the service here get all function. So service is here. It goes to service, list all, get or find all the records from the database and passing to here, list all. And this one will be returning to, if you put it here, return list mean it will be passing to where your page. Which page? Index.html page here. It passing to here. Passing the record will be passing coming here. We have to set it as a student name, course and fee, and we have the ID also. ID means this ID. Edit and delete, there are two buttons are there. We have a relevant ID also there. Right, so if we want to edit the records, we have to this one. It's a data. We have to set all things a data. This data, we have set the data ID, data, delete the record, data this one. When you click this edit button, to get the ID of this particular student, it goes to this function get details. So get the ID. So here it will be go to the particular URL. So not this details. So where's the details? Get the URL, get the ID, go to the URL, and it will be passing all the data into the relevant form. So here this one. Go here. So get ID. It's find the, when you click that ID, find the particular student of the database of the what's the ID is coming, the matching student. Okay, it's go here, service, get ID. The service has a get ID method. Here, this ID, find repo, it find the ID and get the student details and back to the return to our page. So we will be able to get all the student details and load it here. Here, once you click this, here once you click the edit form, you can see here when you click the edit form, all the details will be passing like this, right? After we have to edit the record, what happens is we have another button which is a update. You make some changes, you have to update it. Okay, if you have make some changes here, if you click update, record has been updated. What happens is if you click on this, it's called the update student function. This update student function. This is update student function. This time, if it is a new record is created, add the record. If the already record is exist, use new is false. You have to make it as false. This is the efficient way to write it. So it goes a particular URL student edit. So here I have created already student variable here. It's null. Now if you click on this edit button, the student but the record is there, it will be recorded. So it's goes to edit this particular URL along with the ID, or the form record will be serialized with the force method. So it is receiving the controller here along with the ID, student and ID. So here we have what is the ID is coming here. Set the particular student of the model. Model means the domain. The model means the domain means which will be coming in the database, and what's the ID is coming here. Set the ID. What are the changes you have made is coming here. It will be saved. It is not updated, it's saved. The existing record will be again you have saved, it will be updated. After that, it will be you can get the message as you can see here. Click on this. There's something like click updated. You have a update. Record is updated. It will be bring back to your index.html page. Your alert will be displayed as updated. That's a simple stuff you have to do it. So don't worry, this also going to provide you. After that, when you delete the record, the simple stuff, when you click delete button, record has been deleted. What happens is here, when you click the delete button, it goes the delete method along with the ID. This is the delete method, get the ID, go to the particular URL along with the ID. So here, go to the delete, here delete, here. Here, get the ID, delete student, get the ID, and you have a service, you have called service. Service has a delete method. What's the ID you are getting? It will be passing the service. There's a service. The service. Bring back the ID. Repo. Repo has a one method delete by ID. there is a predefined method. It will be once the ID is coming, the particular record has been deleted. Okay, what is a repo mean? Is a repo we have created simply here. Okay, repo is a we have communicated with the database through the repo. Repo we have created. This is your domain name. After that, your what is the data type of this is long. That's how we have created here. Very important, the JPA repository. Okay, if you are all on the control key down and click on this, here all the CRUD operation is there. You don't need to write the query. Okay, all the SQL query will be managed by the repo. So that we all things we are calling as a repo. If you want to add the record, you have to repo. Delete the record, all this because all the SQL code will be managing here. You can see the under the SQL code here, delete student. Here, all the record where is coming from, this all things coming from this repo. Right? Perfect. I hope you guys have understood the things well. All the source code I provide you below. Thank you for watching.